Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today there is an important update from the TCS, Zoho and Wipro. As the first update is from the TCS, as TCS is sending the interview mail to the TCS BPS of campus hiring, and this is the mail came from the team of TCS BPS of campus test and interview invite 29th February 2024. We are glad that you are now one step closer to becoming a proud TCSer, and we are committed to give you a great interview experience. Hence, we would like to share some information and instruction as below. Request you to follow it thoroughly for a seamless interaction. So this is an important update from the TCS, as TCS is sending the interview update to the off-campus candidate, and this interview is conducted on 29th February 2024, and the test and interview location is TCS Solingalur, Kumar Nagar 4152124 THNB Main Road. And mode of the interview is in person, so you have to visit to the office for the interview. And before going to office, firstly read out before going to interview, firstly read out about the company. As I will give some information related to the TCS, as TCS is an Indian multinational IT information services and consulting company, and its headquarters in Mumbai, and it is a part of Tata Group, and it operates in 150 country across 46 countries, 150 location across 46 country. And in September 2023, the total number of employees in TCS is 6 lakh 16,000. TCS is the second largest Indian company by market capitalization, the most valuable IT services brand in the world, and the top big tech IT company. Okay, as of June 2023, it was the world's second largest user of US H1B visas. So TCS will provide largest number of H1B visas to the for the US, that is United States of America. Okay, and it is established in 1968, that is 56 years ago. It is the first IT company of India. Founder of TCS is JRD Tata, and its headquarters in Mumbai. Okay. Now the chairman of TCS is Natarajan Chandrasekaran, is the chairman of TCS. Okay, so these are the some information I have given about the TCS, and the current CEO of TCS is K Kritivasan. Okay, and he is a study from the IIT. uh, and I will give some information about the revenue, as TCS revenue in 2023 is 2,28,907 crore, that is 29 billion US dollar. Okay, these are the some important information about the TCS. The next update is from the Zoho, as Zoho is sending the interview result, either the selection or rejection. And this is the mail came from the team of Zoho. Interview status: dear candidate, thank you so much for showing interest in Zoho Corporation. We appreciate the time and effort you have invested in completing the interview. Process happened on 11 February at our Zoho Chennai office. We have completed the evaluation process, and we are sorry to say that we are not able to move forward with your profile at this point. Thanks again. We will wish you success in your career search. Regards, Praveen P. HR. So this is an important update from the Zoho, as Zoho is sending the interview status mail to the candidate. And okay, the next update is from the Wipro, as Wipro is sending the onboarding update to the elite two phase candidate, and this onboarding is conducted TCS Wipro has sending after 2 years. So this is an important update from the Wipro, and Wipro is sending the onboarding update to the candidate, those who got selected in Wipro before 2 years. Okay, please check your mails, even in spam mail, to those candidates who got the mail. So these are the important update from the Wipro, Zoho and TCS. So more update like this, please do subscribe my YouTube channel guys for the latest update, latest interview experience. I will share all IT company update and interview experience in this channel. So